nothing but design thinking. It has 5 stages. So my students are going to discuss a topic on how to increase the shelf life of homemade foods. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. I am going to empathize now. We focus on understanding the users and their problems. Many families prepare homemade food daily. However, due to busy schedules, leftover food is often stored for later use. In hot climatic conditions, especially during summer, food spoils very quickly. People face several common problems. Rice becomes sour within hours. Curry develops bad smell. Vegetables lose freshness. Milk products feel spoiled. Refrigeration may not always be available. This problem is more common among students staying in hostel, working parents, small food vendors, rural households with limited electricity. Food wastage, financial loss, health risk like food poisoning, and unnecessary stress. We interacted with users and found that many people want safe, low-cost, and natural ways to preserve homemade food without using chemicals. Therefore, understanding these real-life struggles helped us move to the next stage.
So I am going to explain the defined stage. In the defined stage, we clearly identify four problems from our observation and use feedback. We define the problem as home food spoil quickly due to improper storage in high temperature leading to food waste and health problems. The major problem causes are high room temperature, moisture exposure, lack of proper containers, delayed refrigeration, and absence of natural preservation knowledge. For example, cooked rice kept outside becomes sour quickly, cut vegetable loss freshness, milk-based food spoil within a few minutes. So our challenge is how we can naturally preserve homemade food for a long time is safe, affordable, and eco-friendly. Why this problem statement guide us toward finding practical and simple solution.
So I'm going to tell about ideal stage. In this ideal stage, we generate different ideas and possible solutions for the problem. We brainstormed several natural preservation methods here. Uh, Several nature preservation methods are safe, affordable, easy to use, and chemical free. Some ideas include using banana leaves, clay pot storage, turmeric and salt, sun drying, airtight containers, natural cooling boxes, etc. So, especially using banana leaves, as banana leaves helps reduce moisture loss and maintain freshness naturally. Clay pot storage. Clay pot storage keeps food cool through natural evaporation. In turmeric and salt, natural antimicrobial ingredients like turmeric and salt can slow spoilages, sun drying. Removing moisture from food increases shelf life. In airtight containers, proper sealing reduces bacterial contaminations. The last process are natural cooling boxes. So a low cost insulated storage box using clay or coconut fibers. After discussing all ideas, we selected a combination of clay pot cooling, airtight containers and banana leaf wrappings as our final solutions because it is simple, eco-friendly and suitable for households.
I am going to explain about the prototype of our project. In this, we have designed the solutions for clay pot for natural cooling and the banana leaf wrapping for food items and then the artificial steel containers for storage. The working principle which is involved in this, the clay pot keeps the internal temperature lower through the evaporation cooling. Banana leaves reduce the moisture level and the losses and help maintain freshness naturally. This material used in this were small clay pot, steel container, banana leaf and cotton cloth, water for cooling effect. Demonstrations. We stored cooked rice and vegetables inside the prototype and compared them with the kept food outside at the room temperature. We have observed that food stored in the prototype remained fresh for a longer period and showed less spoilage. This prototype is involved in low cost, reusable, eco-friendly and suitable for both rural and urban households. And we are the next stage of testing, which is involved in this. Where the homemade food for several hours under the normal room conditions. which we are compared with the food storage normal outside and the food storage with our prototype. In that, rice stores outside become sour quickly and longer durations. This shows us the feedback of people like the solution because it does not require electricity. It use natural material and it reduces food waste. Improvement suggested increased storage capacity and better insulations, and the other one will be improved profitability. Overall, the testing stage will define as the show the natural preservation method can effectively help keep more longer the homemade food for fresh for longer term. As I conclude with this, through the design thinking process, we have designed a real life food spoilage systems with the real life case studies which are involved with the simple and natural preservative solutions. This is our project to save the money, improve food safety, and promote sustainable living.
Thank you, students, for your deep analysis about this problem. Thank you for watching.